Hey guys, it's Alexander the Phone Collector. Today we're going to be unboxing a Kyocera Hydro Wave for MetroPCS. As many of you guys know, I've bought 12 devices in total in my on eBay, so I might post that on my community post if you guys watching this. So yeah. Also, when I arrived, oh, this is interesting. Right. I'm going to be showing only the back. I'm going to be covering the front because I don't want to leak the address of mine to this video because I don't want anyone coming to my house. Let's see if it's openable. Yeah, that has my information. Oh. Yeah, if you guys heard that. Alright, see this right here. Looks pretty nice, honestly. It's a pretty cheap smartphone. And more will be coming after these, so there will be a bunch of unboxing videos. And I might make a playlist of them if you guys want me to. It's on my playlist in my video. So here it is. Here's the phone itself. Looks pretty plain. Yeah, it looks like the screen looks pretty plain and black. And yep, here's the back. I felt like it was gonna be It felt more rubbery. I felt like it was gonna be more rubberish. Sorry about my speaking, but let's open up the back cover. Let's see. C6740N. Very interesting. Let's see if this has juice. Let's see if this thing contains juice in it. Oh, it turns on. Oh, powered by Android and then the Kyocera. The power by Android just fades away. It might not be what I want, but it'll probably just show the Metro PCS. Alright. They said it had a big. Oh, that's interesting. No SIM card. Let's turn the volume up if it's. Also the seller mentioned. Oh yeah, it had a big bright spot. I see it. There's a. If you guys can't see it, it's right here next to the K right there. If you guys can't see it, yeah, that's what it looks like. Skip anyway. Let's set up the whole phone. No, I don't want skip anyway. Pretty good overall. Looks like a nice phone for me. Yeah, later. I don't, oh, looks like I got the phone to work. It does have a big bright spot. To me it does not look big. It looks small. It looks small for me for a spot like that. All right, settings. Go to storage. Total storage. Total space is 3.88 gigabytes of storage. Available is 2.92 gigabytes of storage. And yep, depending on what SD card you use. Yep, Qualcomm Technologies right here. System status 81%. Android 5.1. 5.1. It's on Android Lollipop. Let's see if I can beat the. Oh, we already failed. Why? Oh my god, I miss. I'm like. Honestly, the Lollipop one is just much harder. I'm looking straight at the phone, not the camera itself. Not the camera that I'm recording on. Honestly, the Lollipop version of this Flappy Bird, the the yeah, the Lollipop version of the Marshmallow. The Lollipop version game is harder than the Marshmallow version. Do some dialing. Yeah, I know it doesn't have a SIM card. I could tell that from the setup screen. Yeah, it didn't have one. Let's test out a ringtone from the sound and notifications icon. Oh, this is the default one. Let's just always. Oh, they're just default. Yeah, these are all just default Android ringtones. Yeah, nothing really special about them. Star screen sounds. All right, let's test out the camera. Pretty low to me. Let's shut this off. I was expecting it to have a start up and shut down, but yeah, I'm kind of disappointed to be honest. But was it worth it? Kind of, yeah. Honestly, it was worth buying it to see if it had the startup sound like my Kyocera Hydro Reach on Boost Mobile unlocked. Yeah, like my Kyocera Hydro Reach, which is on Boost Mobile, but does not show the Boost Mobile logo. It just shows the Kyocera logo itself. Right off the bat, this thing looks pretty good. Looks like in good condition. To be honest, it looks in very cosmic conditions besides the scuffs here. Looks very cosmic to me. Good condition for this phone. It was $9.53 in shipping. I don't think if I'm right, I don't know. But more will be on the way to here's yeah, there will be more on the way to here to this place here. So yeah. Honestly, I will be wiping down the phone. But yeah, this is a pretty nice phone. There was a lot of three of these, but yeah. This one's pretty nice. That's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.